Is your family farm's future uncertain? Silence may be the biggest risk of all. Discover how open conversations and gradual planning can secure your legacy and empower the next generation. Don't wait, start the dialogue today. Learn more and download a transition planning checklist at fcc.ca/knowledge.
Bernard Tobin here at the Farm Progress Show over at New Holland now, catching up with Lena Patton. Lena, how's it going?
It's great to be here, and thanks for having me.
Hey, I want to talk about the Workmaster Plus series, a new offering here at the show. You got 4 models. Tell us about it.
Yeah, for the very first time, we're introducing to the North American market the Workmaster Plus series. This is an evolution in our utility value segment, a true segment in our livestock and dairy segments of New Holland. So introducing 4 new models. We've got the Workmaster Plus with the 90, 100, 110, and 120 models.
Hey, tell me where this tractor fits on the farm.
Yeah, this is a great tractor whenever we're thinking about the North American market. The thing that's really cool about my products is we go as the all across the country, whether it's the smallest tractor on the farm or the biggest tractor on the farm. We're giving you big ag features when we think about the hydraulics, when we think about the lift capacity, and putting that all together. We're giving you big ag features in a utility tractor size, and even better, a utility tractor price point.
Well, let's talk about some of these features, Lena. I want to have a look at this loader. What's going on?
So this is a brand new loader designed and built by CNH. Whenever we build the tractor and the loader at the same time, the benefit is that we're making 2 units that are going together really well. So you'll notice that the loader mounting point has been moved backwards on the frame of the tractor. By moving it backwards on the frame of the tractor, we're putting it closer to where the weight of the tractor is, which is where that rear axle. So we've got better operational stability, better overall center of gravity. So as an operator, you're really going to see improvements from using this loader, working with this loader, because we know that most of these utility tractors are going to have a loader on them. So that's a key point for us and our customers.
Talk about the cab. I know you've done some modifications there.
Yeah, so kind of focusing still on that loader, when you climb up inside of the cab, visibility is extremely good when you look out over the front of this tractor, because the loader arms and the hood follow that same exact curve. So you've got excellent visibility. We've also upgraded our after treatment system. So our after treatment system used to be external. We've moved that up underneath of the hood, which is also adding to our visibility. For our operators who are maybe new to the operating a tractor, or anyone who's maybe just worried about fatigue, we've made some improvements with our transmission, where we're now offering a brake to clutch feature. So inside the cab, in the past you've had to push the brake and the clutch at the same time to start or stop the tractor. You no longer have to depress the clutch at the same time. So just by pushing the brake pedal, you've now disengaged the clutch. When you need to go again, release the brake and you can continue on. Excellent for baling, excellent for loader work anytime you're doing a lot of frequent start and stop.
Hey, let's wrap it up at the back and let's talk rear lift capacity and the PTO.
Absolutely. So we really increased the size of this tractor all around, especially when we talk about the rear lift capacity. We've got over 6,000 pounds of rear lift capacity on this tractor, so excellent performance for a utility tractor. And we can achieve up to 100 PTO horsepower. A lot of our competitors, in order to achieve 100 PTO horsepower, have to go up in tractor size, so that means more money and a lot more features that they're going to have to add on to the price. So we're able to offer some of those bigger ag utility tractor features, like 100 PTO horsepower, right here in a compact utility tractor size.
Lena, tell me about availability, orders, and when can farmers get their hands on it?
Absolutely. So we've got dealer orders in the system right now. We are building the first batches of these tractors. We're expecting those arrive in the beginning of 2026, when our customers can start to make purchases on those. So if you'd like more information, visit your local dealer or newhollandagriculture.com.
Great stuff, Lena. Thanks for taking some time for Real Agriculture here at Farm Progress.
Thank you very much.